Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And happy Monday, and we got a little bit of a rally this morning, although it is fading as we head into afternoon trading. And we'll start with the S&P 500 currently trading at 2,676.60, up about 0.6% on the day. However, our chart analysis score remains negative 100, indicating that strong downtrend is in place for the S&P 500. However, it is back in positive territory, albeit just barely. Both the Dow and the S&P 500 are back positive for the year, but we'll have to see if that trend continues to the upside or if we're going to continue to the lower side, as the S&P 500 hasn't had back-to-back gains in the month of October. So I have to ask yourself, is the pattern going to continue tomorrow? Are we lined up for some losses tomorrow, or will we see back-to-back daily gains? It'll definitely be interesting to watch. Key level for the S&P 500 remains 2,877.53. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones currently trading at 24,792.30, up about 0.4 of a point right now. Was up as much as a little over 200 points in early trading this morning, before dipping back down below 100 points. Currently standing right now around 90 points or so on the day. Chart analysis score remains negative 70 with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. Key level remains 24,077.56. A move below that level is going to issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a possible short position for the Dow. And we'll actually give you a new number to watch on the close or afternoon of Halloween, because that number is going to come down considerably to where we'll see that red weekly or red monthly trade triangle. Nasdaq, by far suffering the worst, was in positive territory to begin the morning. Has been kind of waffling in and out of negatives and positives. Chart analysis scores negative 100, indicating that the long-term downtrend is in for the Nasdaq. And that's really because of Netflix and Alibaba, which are both down over 3% on the day and dragging the Nasdaq lower. In fact, it's looking to have its worst month in over 10 years. If you go back to a yearly chart, it really stands out that we're standing right around an 11% loss for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch would be 7,799.75. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Dollar index currently trading at 96.43, up about 0.2% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still strong and in play for the US dollar. Key level to watch remains 94.47. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Crude oil, we'll turn our dailies on here. We did get a green daily in late trading last night at 67.88, indicating a move to a sidelines position. However, the downtrend has taken hold this afternoon. It's currently trading at 67.23 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil at the moment. And your key level to watch will be 66.20. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for crude oil. Gold, much like the crude oil, issued a red daily trade triangle today at 1,237, signaling an exit from that short-term long position. And key level to watch would be 1,246. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for gold, which would in turn push the chart analysis score back to probably plus 75 versus the negative 75 that we're sitting at now. And we'll wrap it up. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, suffering its worst day in a while right now, down a little over 2% on the day, with red trade triangles across the board, giving us a chart analysis score negative 100. We'll sneak this chart in a little bit here. As you can see, currently down trading at 6,267.76, but our key levels to watch are going to be like right around the 6,200, 6,190 level. We need to break below that to continue further to the downside. Key level to watch will be 6,640.10. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll be back midweek to update some numbers on October and give you some new numbers to look for moving into November.